Uber Eats surge pricing shows up when nearby delivery demand is higher than the number of available drivers. That means the app increases pay to pull more drivers into a specific area at a specific time. By the end of this, you'll know how to position yourself so you see surge pricing more often instead of missing it. Surge pricing is mostly tied to location and timing, not random luck. The app pushes higher payouts in areas where restaurants have more orders than drivers can currently handle. If you are not physically close to those hotspots, you usually won't see the boosted offers even if the demand is high nearby. The first step to getting more surge opportunities is staying near dense restaurant zones instead of residential areas. Fast food clusters, mall districts, and busy downtown streets tend to generate the most order spikes. When demand spikes, the system raises pay to attract drivers already nearby, which is why location matters more than waiting anywhere else. Timing also plays a major role in surge frequency. Lunch and dinner hours are when most orders stack up quickly across multiple restaurants at once. Drivers who stay active during these peak windows are more likely to get repeated boosted offers compared to drivers who only log in randomly during the day. Another factor is driver availability in your area at the exact moment demand spikes. If too many drivers are already nearby, surge pricing can disappear quickly because the system no longer needs to raise pay to attract more people. This is why positioning and staying active before rush periods start can make a noticeable difference. To get more surge pricing opportunities, the strategy is simple. Stay near high-traffic restaurant zones, work during peak meal hours, and stay active before demand spikes instead of reacting late. These three habits increase your chances of being in the right place when the system triggers higher pay. The main idea is that surge pricing is driven by imbalance between orders and available drivers. When you consistently place yourself where that imbalance happens, you see more boosted offers without needing to rely on luck. Start by identifying one high-demand area in your city and testing peak lunch or dinner shifts there. Like and subscribe for more breakdowns on delivery apps and how to actually increase what you earn per hour.